discussion, consideration, action, if any, regarding resolution number 2013-013, casting the city vote for selection of 5 members board of directors of the McLennan County Appraisal District 2014-2015 term. I think we have one person wants to speak on this. Mr. Gates?
Yes.
You just come up here and
Okay.
state your name and your address. And
Okay, my name is Scott Gates. My address is 467 Valley Drive. I don't live in Robinson. I am a concerned taxpayer in McLennan County, and what I wanted to bring to your attention tonight. This election only takes place every 2 years. I am so unbelievably impressed that a city council knows the difference in the Texas Open Meetings Act and does not cower behind the public comments and will allow a citizen to come here and address agenda, because 99% of them won't do it. You know, and I know why they won't do it. Because you can ask me questions and I can ask you questions, and you're not prohibited by law from answering those questions. I don't intend to ask questions, and Mr. Mayor, I will try to be as brief as possible. The problem is with the McLennan County Appraisal District during this past term, they have lost 3 lawsuits that are going to cost McLennan County taxpayers, estimates are $1 million. One, if you may remember, if you remember in the paper, they lost the Hoppenstein lawsuit where they vacated a lease, and they come up short on that one. And another one, in a really horrible case, they had a contract with a retiree that the retiree would pay their own health insurance but participate in their health insurance plan. They had a contract with that employee, and they just decided they didn't want to do it. And let the employee stuck out. And he sued them, and he won. But they drug it out for years. Getting information from the McLennan County Appraisal District is a nightmare. It is a constant fight and a wrestling match with them. And the majority of the time, I'm one of the few people that will stick it out and file with the Attorney General. And the majority of the time I win. I get what I ask for. But they drag it out forever. And it's the leadership out there. Gentlemen, and ma'am, I'm sorry, you can affect the leadership. There are 13 candidates up for consideration on there. And I don't know who y'all nominated, okay, but you don't have to vote for who you nominate. In fact, gentlemen, ma'am, you don't have to vote until December the 14th. And I am asking the council to defer it, give some time to consideration of this, because there are some good candidates, and we desperately need a change in the leadership at the McLennan County Appraisal District. There's plenty of candidates. There's some good candidates. I'm not here to advocate for one of them, okay, for any of them. I am here to advocate against the incumbents. Now, Mr. Riggs is on the ballot. He's going to be an ex officio member anyways. Even if he doesn't get elected, he's going to be on the board of directors. And I think your votes are important enough for me to drive over here tonight and petition y'all. Just think about it. And you've got plenty of time. They're not due until December 14th. Thank you very much for the way you take care of business. I am unbelievably impressed, and thank you very much for your time.
thank you, sir.
I believe it was the last council meeting, Senator.
Yes.
We chose the following: Billy Hubert, Randy Riggs, John Embry, Alvin Green, Alan Sykes. In your information tonight, there is a resolution with those, if you want to act on those as shown. Past that, there is a listing of all 13 applicants if you want to choose one. I know that there's been some discussion about Randy Riggs. He's probably not going to be one of those candidates. There's a conflict there.
Mr. Gates is right about that.
You're correct. So you might want to either vote for 4 or pick someone else for that slot. We have to pick 5 if we want to pick 5.